Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to recover a Valorant account without email. So guys, for cover your Valorant, first of all visit the official Riot support website, then navigate to submit ticket section. Select I need help from the Riot account as the request, then choose recover my account from the problem types options, then provide any linked email or username you still remember. In the description, clearly state you lost email access, mention alternatively verification detail you provide. Then collect your original account creation date and location, list any rights point purchase date and amount like gathering key verification details, provide any linked phone number to the account, mention the hardware ID and the unique PC specs if available. Include name of the friends you frequently play with. Okay, and also communicate with the Riot support. Be patient, account recovery can take some time. Respond promptly to all support agent requests, provide clear and concise answer to their questions, avoid creating the multi tickets for the same issues, follow the instruction given by the support dignity. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.